Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Steam Remote Play when it's not working or won't connect. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, click the search bar in the bottom left corner of your screen and type Windows Defender Firewall. From the search results, click on Windows Defender Firewall apps. This will open the firewall settings where you can manage which applications are allowed to communicate through your network, which is crucial for Remote Play to function properly. Once you're in the firewall window, look at the left panel and click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. This section controls which programs can bypass your firewall, and Steam needs this access to establish remote connections with other devices on your network. Now, scroll down through the list of applications until you find Steam and Steam Web Helper. These are the two main components that need firewall access for Remote Play to work correctly. Check whether both of these apps are marked with checkboxes under both private and public columns. If they're not checked, you'll need to modify these settings. In the upper right corner, click Change Settings to unlock the options. This will allow you to make changes to the firewall permissions. Now go ahead and check both the private and public boxes for Steam and Steam Web Helper. Making sure both network types are enabled ensures that Remote Play can work regardless of what type of network you're connected to. Once you've checked all the necessary boxes, click OK at the bottom right to save your changes. Next, open your Steam application. In the upper left corner, click on Steam and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will open Steam's configuration panel where you can adjust various features and preferences. In the left sidebar of the settings window, click on Remote Play. This is where all Remote Play specific settings are located. Navigate to Enable Remote Play and make sure this option is toggled on. This is the master switch that allows your computer to host or join Remote Play sessions, so it's essential that it's activated. If you have any paired devices listed, try removing them and then reconnecting them. Sometimes the connection data can become corrupted, and repairing the devices can resolve connectivity issues. If you're still experiencing problems, try entering Big Picture mode and launching your game from there. Remote Play often works better when initiated through Big Picture mode because it's optimized for controller and remote interfaces. In the upper right corner of Steam, click the Enter Big Picture mode button to switch to this interface. Another common issue is VPN interference. If you're using a VPN, it can block or interfere with Remote Play connections. In the bottom right corner of your screen, click Show Hidden Icons to reveal your system tray. Right-click on your VPN application and disable it if you're using one. This will allow Steam to connect directly without any VPN routing that might be causing conflicts. If none of these solutions work, your last option is to reinstall the Steam application. This will replace any corrupted files and restore all settings to their defaults, which often resolves persistent connection issues. And there you have it. You should now be able to use Steam Remote Play without any connection problems. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.